It was a match made in heaven. These patients from St. Mary's Healthcare System for Children are lining up to meet and greet the New York Jets at the training camp in Hempstead. And representatives say it's an opportunity of a lifetime.
And this is a way for each of them individually and as a team, with their coach revving them on, to give back to kids who are struggling every day of their lives.
According to Grebin, the children suffer from serious health problems like strokes, accident injuries, and birth-related illnesses. He says they were excited to meet the Jets. 11-year-old Alex Flores says he's been a Jets fan since he was 5 years old.
I got all the Jets to sign this book, all of them.
Each kid got to take home a personally autographed Jets memorabilia book. And quarterback Chad Pennington says today's event wasn't just good for the kids, but also inspirational for the team.
Anytime you can come by and just share a piece of yourself with someone maybe experiencing some type of difficult challenge, especially when it's kids, because they just don't have any experience and don't know how to deal with those type of things. I think it just means a lot for them and for us to just come by and say hello and let them know we're thinking about them.
It feels really good. It feels extremely good.
And the child looking back up and saying, I want to be where you are. It's a wonderful, wonderful match.
In Hempstead, Danielle Anzelone, LI News Tonight. Fast food value meals may be cheaper, but they may not be smarter. And while many Americans are resorting to cheaper priced foods during these hard economic times, doctors at St. Francis Hospital in Roslyn are reminding Long Islanders to be even more heart conscious during American Heart Month.
You still can make good choices even though you don't have the economic resources, but it is much easier and it's much quicker to possibly make the bad choices because they are more of a value.
According to Dr. Spadaro, heart disease is the leading cause of death in the U.S., and 1 in every 2 women may develop heart disease in their lifetime, which is said to be more common than some cancers.
We also know that women with heart disease do not as well as men with heart disease in terms of their response to medications, certain procedures.
Doctors advise preventative measures, including having a good exercise routine, eating well, watching your weight, and to routinely check your cholesterol levels annually. And among the factors leading to heart disease are smoking, lack of exercise, high blood pressure or diabetes that's not treated, or a family history of heart, kidney, or vascular disease. And since the declining economy can affect how much you spend on food, this woman says it's smart to cook your meals at home.
You can make good, healthy food and have plenty of leftovers for yourself and your family.
But for these students, fast food is just more convenient.
My job's right next to a McDonald's, so it's definitely just more efficient, more closer.
So what do doctors have to say about fast food value meals?
It probably would be okay once in a while, but certainly if you did it every day and for 2 or 3 meals a day, that would not be a good thing. Doctors say exercise is one of the best ways to prevent heart disease. So going to the gym or working out at home may be something to add to your daily routine. For LI News Tonight, Danielle Anzelone reporting.